me, Disney Wish, are we ready for a fun-filled magical adventure? Oh, I said, are we ready for a great vacation? Well, my name is Charlotte. I'm part of the entertainment team here on the Disney Wish. Now, very soon we're going to be setting sail. But before we do, we need to get this dance party started. So I'm going to introduce to you a very good friend of mine. Make some noise for Joe Pierre.
Thank you so much, Charlotte. Now, Disney Wish, if you're all ready and excited for your best Disney vacation ever, I want to hear you scream loud and proud so that Captain Minnie can hear you all the way from the bridge. In 3, 2, 1. Good job, everyone. Now it's time to start our party, but let's clap our hands and move to the beat. Who's that team?
Featuring the Platinum Band, and this time we're gonna get funky. Funky.
Everyone clap your hands.
Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Keep fucking with it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all.
Well done, Disney Wish. Those were great dance moves. So now, we're off to a great start here on the Disney Wish. But I think we have some more special friends to meet. So, Charlotte, where are you?
I'm over here, Joe Pierre. And yes, I've got some very special families here. Tell me, what's your name and where are you from?
We're the Schluter family from Logan, Iowa.
Ooh, Schroeder family from Logan, Ohio. Now tell me, friend, what are you looking forward to most on your vacation?
Spending time with my kids.
Spending time with the family. Oh, yes. And tell me, friends, hi, what's your name? Where are you from?
We're the Donegan Salas family from Orlando, Florida.
Ooh, from Orlando. Very good. And tell me, friend, if you could take any character home with you, who would it be?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse! Oh, we'd love to take him home. All right, back to you, Joe Pierre.
Thank you so much, Charlotte. Those were lovely families. So now, let's keep the party going with our favorite song, Encanto! Everyone, clap your hands, come on!
Noche de fiesta, todos vienen a celebrar. Noche de fiesta, todos llegan
And make
para
some
gozar.
way.
Sigue bailando, contento en mi paraíso y revelando milagros
And
en
clap
cada
your hands.
beso. Encanto, encanto, con lo que te quiero
it's the moment you've all been waiting for, and I've got the Allen family here with me to help me say those 3 magical words. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why, hello, my dears. Oh, so many smiling faces. Oh, and I know each and every one of you has a wish in your heart. Together, we can make even the biggest wishes come true. Like setting sail. Shall we see what our magic can do? Now, repeat after me. Wishes do come true. Ready? Wishes do come true.
Oh yeah, come on. It's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate. Hi there. Now put your hands up, magic all around and I can't get enough. Yeah, I can feel the love. Yeah. Adventures waiting for us on the sea. I can't wait to find on the board with the family.
Setting sail on a vacation really is magical. Especially when you're with family and friends.
That's right. Here on board, your family and friends become our family. So come on and join our family time.
Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our family time. We're happy, giving and taking to the friends we're making. There's nothing we won't do. Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our happy time. This is our festival, you know it's festival. We're here.
to your Disney cruise vacation and the moment you've all been waiting for. Time to sound the ship's horn. Captain Minnie, will you do the honors, please? And thank you.
Oh, I'd love to. Will you all help me count down?
Sure will. Happy to.
What fun! Here we go. From 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
You're officially on vacation!
On behalf of the entire crew of the Wish, welcome aboard.
See you around.
Happy sailings.
See you real soon.
And remember, wishes do come true.
Thank you, Captain Minnie and friends. What a great way to kickstart your vacation.
A huge thanks to all of you. You are the missing piece of our magical adventure, and we're so glad that you're here with us on board the beautiful Disney Wish.
Now make sure to check out all the fun activities we have planned for you and to come along to see those shows at the Walt Disney Theatre.
Yeah, so from our Disney Cruise Line family to yours, welcome aboard. We can't wait to see you all around the ship and have some magical and memories together. So let's keep this party going. Cruise Cap team, assemble!